In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change a coach on chess.com training lessons. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile, and once you've done that, click right here at the bottom left corner where it says settings. After that, click at lessons, and basically that's where we can change our coach on chess.com lessons training. Just like that, just select any coach, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.